suddenly become a ghost of myself. I can't feel myself anymore. When the school is over and my children returns home, what will I tell them? How will I explain to them that their mother wanted me dead by all means? How will I explain to them that I ruined my once peaceful and beautiful marriage by myself? How do I tell them that it was my promiscuous living that led my wife into attempting to take my life? How? Akokalea. Container got to go. Okay?
What else will man do? You see, all this money we've made, how are we going to eat it? We can only spend it on all those beautiful souls.
So what about your wife and your kids?
Those ones are legit now. They are the rightful owner of the whole thing. The company, the whole money, I mean, everything. If I die today, they take care of everything. Everything belongs to them. So now that I'm alive, let me enjoy. Onye mebi ụwa ụtọrọ agbagbo ya. Ọkwa ịfụrụ ụwa na-atọ ka ịkọ ọkụkọ. Onye ọbụla mebiri ya. Ntụkpọsị ya anya.
Oh, I'm trying though. I cannot cheat on my wife. Ever. I cannot cheat on my wife.
Are you sure?
Of course.
You?
Which one is you?
Well, let me tell you, why you cannot cheat on your wife, there is no money and your pocket is empty. And as far as your pocket is empty, you know what I mean. You don't have money, so there's no way that will cane you now. Money can is when you have excess money, go ne Kenya. You know what I mean.
Akokale, listen, it's not about not having money, okay? Even while my business was booming, like while I was doing very well, my containers was coming here and there, I was still faithful to my wife. Now. There is nothing you don't know about me. So I'm telling you the truth. There is nothing like respecting the vow I took in church. I can't cheat on my wife. So Aburo, because my business is not doing well, that's why I'm being faithful. You know me too well now.
So what have you been doing with your money?
Taking care of my family.
Let me tell you one thing. You see all these wealthy men, you see all of them from A to Z. Those billionaires, celebrities, footballers. How do you think they enjoy their money? How do you think they enjoy their money? They enjoy it with women. They enjoy it with women. You see the way you're eating this meat now. You cannot eat your money raw. You can only eat by enyendeba and everybody will be happy. So I need to enjoy myself now that I'm alive. One day. So cool down. This girl wants to kill me. I don't know what gives them energy.
So you're not going to harder.
Nah, Daddy, keep riding.
Oh, in there. It's a smart thing, man.
See this one?
Hi.
This is Bagum.
As you go about, it's just full everywhere.
That one, she's there up there. I'll leave her there.
You leave her there?
Yes, now.
What if another person comes?
What is my business? I've already collected what I want, so it's none of my business. Let's go. I have to go. But you go to my house with me, so that my wife will see that both of us were together. I will just climb upstairs, do as if I want to bring something. I give it to you, a butcher.
Akokalia. Keep teaching me bad things.
And keep learning back things.
Let's go, Joe.
Keep learning.
What's the meaning of this one now? Why would you lock the door when I'm still outside?
Where are you coming from?
I was with my friend Akokalia.
And you didn't bother to check the time? Amos, do you know what time it is? You don't know the right time to leave your friends and come back home to your family.
Why are you shouting now? I just told you I was with my friend Akokalia.
And I am making it clear that you stayed out too late. You ought to have been home since.
Well, you don't talk to me like that. I'm the man of this house. Talk to me with some respect.
Okay, man of the house. Enlighten me why you think it is right for you to stay out till this time. I'm waiting.
Well, I don't owe you any apology. I paid your bride price. For that reason, you have to accord me some respect. The only thing I owe you is an explanation, which I just did now. I was with my friend Akokalia.
And I am saying it is not right for you to stay out this late.
Okay, I'm going to Amaziaka.
Amos! Amos!
Come on, man.
I've got one of those my friends. Let them bring one pina for you.
For who?
For you. One in my one phone.
Did I tell you to bring?
Don't worry. I'm your friend. Let them find the one who to so that you'll be happy. I'm trying to help you. Trying to help your veins.
I don't need your help.
Okay, well, no problem. Hello? Yeah, babe, what's up? See, I want you to arrange one of those of your friends. Chonke the Good. That is very fine. Okay, good. Yes, now. For my friend. This is my friend Okoli, and then I need to make him happy. But then okay. Okay, no problem. Chonke kept that to happen. Good. That.
How the kid are no fair? You don't listen. I don't want.
Okay. I just want to help you. You're my friend. Yeah? Okoli now. So I'm just want to help you.
Where are from now?
I just want to help you to enjoy yourself.
Yay, sugar baby.
How are you?
Fine.
Did I ask you to kiss me? Is that your friend?
Yes, the one you asked me to come with.
Ah, okay. How are you?
I'm good. Yes.
You're good?
Yes.
Hey, please, can you turn? Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. You can go back to two. It's my friend. That is Sugar Daddy too. Go and do him Immigrant. Come and sit down here. Position very well.
No, just stand.
Amos. Go down now. Go down. On that towel.
Hey, sit here, please. Can you kindly sit here?
I'm comfortable here.
On that towel now. Now, why are you doing this now? Go down now. Look at what you do. Just be doing like this. Just be doing like this now.
Just stand.
No, just be doing like this.
Stand up.
Don't worry, I will take good care of you.
I don't want the care.
No. Listen. Listen. Do like this. Stand up. Oh, yeah.
Stand up.
Yes.
Stand up.
You know what? This is my friend. Let's go up. Let's go up.
I know what.
Madam, after I carry him down, we will start going up. Let's go to the room.
Only the Amefe.
Are you not seeing what I'm saying?
I'm not seeing anything.
So you didn't see that thing that the girl with whoop.
Is she more beautiful than my wife?
Happy, yeah. Your wife will just stand like this, but the girl will be doing you like this.
Don't
Why you? Don't worry, we'll go upstairs now.
I'm leaving here.
You live where? I go. If you go, I just give you the uncle. Go.
My brother. Akukalia thinking that my waist has gone out of alignment. This game, do you know what she told me? Daddy, hey, relax. Don't stress yourself. Let me do the job.
Hey, she called you daddy. She called you daddy.
Akukali, you go one on.
My brother.
Now, okay, I was you now. I just relaxed myself. This gear started from my leg. Where now, Mago? Touching me.
Oh, daddy. Let me tell you, you've not seen anything yet. There's another one I will introduce you to. That one, they call it two-some, three-some, four-some, five-some, even 10-some. Only you.
That one, I will just go to mortuary straight. I will just die. Me, three-some, two-some.
Only you.
With what this girl did to me.
I tell you.
Brother, there's one she touched here.
You know?
Like this now.
Yeah?
You mean it's like a
and he didn't know that you are Sugar Daddy too.
You say, oh, daddy.
Oh, daddy.
Let me do this job.
My man.
You're a correct guy.
Hey! Now you know, if what's surprise for you to enjoy your life.
Exactly. That is it. That is what I've been missing.
No problem. Top alive.
Top alive.
Top alive.
Like I
Mbabiano, say that.
Oh, I think I don't got this. I won't care.
You came with this.
I don't want you. I am forever grateful. very, very grateful. It's good, the girl called Daddy. Hey.
Baby, forgive and forget, oh. Make everything way bite for 90. Be mosquito. Make it be mosquito. I hurt you, you hurt me. Nobody lose, nobody win. Come back house, oh. Make we the manage love, they go. Baby, forgive and forget, oh. Forgive and forget. Make everything way bite for 90. Be mosquito. Make it be mosquito. I hurt you, you hurt me. Nobody lose, nobody win. I beg you, come back house, oh. Make we the manage love, they go. Baby, forgive and forget, oh. Forgive and forget. Make everything way bite for 90. Be mosquito. Make it be mosquito. I hurt you, you hurt me. Nobody lose, nobody win. I beg you, come back house, oh. Make we the manage love, they go. The time where I say make you pack and go. Na vex, I de vex, oh. As you come leave our house, na me the suffer, amo. The bed they come there to biggie. The house.
Amos.
Is it that you don't know when someone is tired or what? Don't you when someone is tired, you let that person be now?
Amos, please. Don't do this to me. I'm your wife. Why are you treating me this way? Okay, at least let me just stay close to you, please.
No. What is this thing now? What is wrong with you now? Is it hard to just let me be?
Amos, because you know, why are you treating me this way, please?
Just like that daughter of Jezebel said, I have never looked at my wife again from that very day. My own wife now looks like a filthy rag at my sight. Now look at me. I just ruined my life, my marriage, my happiness, my joy, all by myself. Where do I go from here?
Bros.
Dear boy.
Bros.
Dear boy.
Bros boy, sir.
Yes, sir, money.
Bros, I got no deal. Nobody there also.
My brother is not around.
Nobody there house.
Okay. What of madam?
Bros, you never here.
Everything.
I gotta push madam since now. He even talk say man no allow me enter this house again. If not, I will follow and they go house.
Okay. So this is serious, eh?
But the matter pass Gary.
Okay. Let me start going. It's well.
But you no carry to come for your
What you go do now?
just like that. Just it don't make sense.
Don't worry, my brother will settle you, eh?
Just like that.
Just like that, my brother. See you later, eh?
Boss, don't try you.
No problem. Mama!
Chibike, what is it? Why this surprise visit?
Mama, good afternoon. Mama, did brother Amos call you?
No, what happened to him?
Hi! Mama, all is not well.
What happened to my son?
Mama, I am rushing back to the city now to confirm for myself. I just had to come back to ask you something.
So what is it? Can you hear me?
Good. Mama, nothing happened. Just that I heard a rumor that Brother Amos caught his wife putting poison in his food.
Is it? Jesus Christ. Hey!
I had to go straight to his house to confirm for myself. I met the gate man. The gate man told me the truth. He told me that Oga sent his wife packing. My brother Amos.
Jesus Christ. Okay, no problem. You have to go back to his house. Oh? What is You will go back to your brother's house. Is there any problem?
Yes, so Mama, there is so. I'm not going back there.
Why?
Mama, you know Brother Amos and I are not in good terms, so I will not go back there.
Okay, no problem. You will go there, tell him I sent you to come and call him. That I want to confirm what I am hearing from people, if it is true, directly from him. That's why I sent you there.
Mama.
Yes.
I'm not going, I beg.
Chubike. Can you imagine this boy? Chubike.
If I talk to you, you will think I am weak. If I call your number, I'm not sure you will answer. But I'm dying inside for my foolish.
What are you doing in my house after telling me never to call you again and you're not going to call me?
I went to the village yesterday. Mama sent me to you.
Why?
She said I should come and confirm from you if the rumor all over the village is true.
What rumor is that?
That you sent your wife out of your house. She said I should come and confirm if the thing is true. But brother, let me ask you. Why would you do such a thing without letting Mama know about it? Why?
Well, there's nothing to worry about. It's just a minor family issue, and I believe every family passes through that once in a while. Okay, so just tell Mama it's a minor problem and it's something I can handle.
Well, the rumor has it that you...
Listen, I just said something, okay? Don't prove stubborn here now. Tell Mama it's a minor problem and I can handle it. I'm already on it. Okay? Tell her not to worry. It's fine. Alright. This discussion is over. Make yourself comfortable. There is food in the fridge, microwave, and eat. Eat something.
Brother, you have to understand me. Ha! Make yourself comfortable. Are we? Would you believe it? Brother Amos said that it's something that he can handle.
Did he really confirm the fact that Ifeoma tried poisoning his food?
Yes, now. Mama, let me shock you. Could you believe that? It was something I wanted to ask him. As if he knew what I wanted to say. He said, Chi, leave this place. Our discussion is over. I said, go! Mama, Lawa's in.
Praise you.
It's so good. Come now. Where Lawa?
The man. No problem. Call that boy for me. Call him now. Call him. Call him. Please call him for me.
He's ringing.
Didn't pick.
Must speak. Mama switched off.
Is it?
Switched off!
I thought the other time you said it's ringing.
Yes, now.
How come switched off?
Maybe he knew what I was calling him for. That's why he had to switch off his phone.
Okay. Odimhbr. No problem. No problem. He'll still come back to meet me here. No problem.
Acharugo, you messed up. You messed up big time. How could you disclose our little secret to a non-entity?
A young lady, remember our plan. You said we need more women into the women's club. We need to depopulate the men's club and get more influential and effective women into the women's club. And I saw her as a potential member. That was it.
When you see a woman with a lion's heart, you would know. That woman has been a weakling since I knew her. She is not different from a chicken. You shouldn't have disclosed all that to her. Now see where you've landed us. In trouble.
She must have disclosed everything. She must have disclosed everything to them.
Yes. If not, why would Igbo's way change the law to favor the men and disfavor the women?
That is just not my problem. The main issue is that she must have... We do not know their plans towards us. They may start a dig-up exercise.
There is no digging up. That informer of a woman needs to be found wherever she is and be eliminated. That's the only weapon they hold against us.
Now you know exactly where I'm coming from.
Today is my children's school visiting day. I want to go and see them today. I'll be needing like 20,000 naira for my trip. I need to get them some things and also to give them some pocket money.
Ifoma, are you supposed... Are you the one to take care of your children or your husband? What happened to your husband?
But Dada, please, let's just forget about Amos for now, please. What I need is 20,000.
Ifoma, don't tell me to forget about Amos. This is his duty. His own kids. He should take care of them. Call him. Let him take care of the children.
The Amos I know doesn't care about his children anymore. If other parents are there to see their own kids and I am not there, they are going to feel bad and I don't want that to happen. Brother, please, it's just 20,000 naira I need. Please. I'm begging you.
It's okay. Let me do a transfer for you.
Brother, thank you. Thank you.
What bank again?
If I talk to you, you will think I am weak. If I call your number, I'm not sure you will answer. But I'm dying inside for my foolish pride. I miss you so, but I don't want it to show.
So I'll bring
you so,
the remaining
I don't want you to
the remaining exercise. You said I should.
Since we've been apart, this house is not a home. I feel so empty, I feel so alone. But no matter how long we fight, two wrongs.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
Daddy, did you tell us that you're coming with mommy?
Oh, I went to buy
His car was bad, so I had to stop and see you two first before he comes.
Baby, forgive and forget, oh. Make everything way bite for 90. Be mosquito. Make it be mosquito.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. So please, just know how you can.
Baby, forgive and forget,
Are you two not forgetting something? You just want to go like that without saying goodbye to mommy? Okay, don't fall me down. I love you too, okay? Concentrate on your studies.
Mama, take care of yourself, okay?
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Everything is inside here, okay? Thank you very much.
Okay. Please take good care of them.
No problem, ma. Have a nice day, ma. Okay. Bye, sir.
Bye!
The time where I say make you back and go.
I'll drop you off. If you don't mind.
The bed con day too biggie. The house con day too lonely. It be like say I'm dying inside for my foolish pride. I miss you so, but I don't want it to show. I miss you so, but I don't want you to know. Since we've been apart, this house is not a home. I feel so empty, I feel so alone. But no matter how long we fight, two wrongs won't make a right. And I miss you so, but I don't want it to show. I miss you so, but I don't want you to know that I miss you. I don't want it to show. I miss you. I don't want you to know. I miss you. You would think I am weak. I miss you. So I don't want you to know. I miss you. Please don't look at me. I miss you. 'Cause if you look, you will see.
Without any sign, just put roadblock.
And I don't want it to show. I miss you. And I don't want you to know.
I'll stop at the junction. I said I need to stop, please.
This junction.
Please just drop me off.
Okay.
If I talk to you, you will think I am weak. If I call your number, I'm not sure you will answer. But I'm dying inside for my foolish pride. I miss you so, but I don't want it to show. I miss you so, but I don't want you to know. Since we've been apart, this house is not a home. I feel so empty, I feel so alone. But no matter how long we fight, two wrongs won't make a right. And I miss you so, but I don't want it to show. I miss you so, but I don't want you to know that I miss you. I don't want it to show. I miss you. I don't want you to know. I miss you. You would think I am weak. I miss you. So I don't want you to know. I miss you. Please don't look at me. I miss you. 'Cause if you look, you will see that I miss you.
Yeah. How long today?
How are you? How is business? Okay. Oh yeah, I'm fine as well. I thank God. Okay, quick one, eh? I don't know if you can remember the day I called you people for a meeting in my house concerning what my wife did. Yeah, you remember I said you people can live with her till I figure out what to do with figure out what to do after, concerning what she did. Exactly. So now I've thought about, you're a man like me, and of course you know how this whole thing works. I've thought about everything, and I've come to realize one thing. Okay, but I won't say that here. That's why I'm calling. Okay, I will be coming to the house after church tomorrow. Yes, I will be coming over to see everyone. So I want your uncle, your mother, or anyone that cares to know what my final judgment will be. Anyone that cares to know to be present, okay? Exactly. So till I come, I'll tell you people what I've come to. Okay, all right. Okay then. Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow then. Okay, bye.
Baby, forgive and forget, oh. Forgive and forget. Make everything we bite for 90 be mosquito. Make it be mosquito. I hurt you, you hurt me. Nobody lose, nobody win. I beg you come back house, oh. Make we dey manage love for they go.
Mama, I believe we all know why I sent my wife back home to come stay with you people for the meantime before I take my final decision. The truth is that I've taken my final decision. And I've come to realize that whatever happened, it's not really my wife's fault. My wife is not a murderer. I know her too well, more than you people. She did what she did out of anger. And I've taken corrections. Please. I cannot stay a day without my wife again. I'm here to take her back for us to continue from where we stopped. Please.
Hey! Chineke bi n'igwe ekene m gị. Olisa bi n'igwe ekene m gị. Oh! My enemies are already talking at my back. They are already pointing fingers and suspecting all manner of evil. But my God, Jehovah, Yeshua, is bigger than them. God is bigger than them. God is bigger than them. My in-law, you always been an angel in the form of a man. For this shame you have removed from us, God will bless you.
Amen.
Because for this gear, continue staying here is a big shame to us. But as from today, God has proved himself worthy. As
if they don't have problems in their own house. Every family passes through problems.
God will bless you.
Amen.
For this great favor, despite what happened, God will continue to bless you.
Amen, Mama. Amen.
You see, it takes the grace of God. You see, ndị Igbo si na onye gbara mmadụ egbe anaghị ahụ ya mgbọ. Igbo kwukwara okwu wee sị na iwere aka ekpe tie nwata ihe, iwerekwa aka nri dọtakwa ya azụ. Ọkwa otu aka ọ dị nna. Ịbụ dimkpa. For this step, for this shame you have taken away from us today, Chukwu ya gozi. God will bless you for me. Ifeoma, do you have anything to say?
Yes, Mama. Mama, the only thing I will say now is this: Ifeoma, go in and get your things to follow your husband back home.
I should follow him back.
Yes.
And nobody has even bothered to hear my own side or listen to what I have to say.
Ifeoma, we are not here to hear both parties. We are here to settle issues. So go in and pack your things.
Mama,
follow your husband.
I am not following him anywhere.
Ifeoma.
I am saying this and I'm going to say it for the last time. Whatever I shared with Amos is over. I am not going back to that house with him. Mama, I am not going anywhere.
Osi, I'm not meaning to offer. Osi, I'm not meaning to offer. If I slap you now, can't. Go inside and pick your things.
Mama, your husband. Mama, please. Mama, I'm the one who is going to live in the same house with him, and not you. So please, you people should just let me have my peace. I am not going back with him. If this meeting is over, can I leave?
I want to move. Even my in-law, please, don't be offended. Just give me some time. Let me go and talk to Mister and come back. Everything will be okay. Mama, keep it busy. I'm coming.
If I talk to her,
if Mama. Stop these tears. Stop sobbing. I know how you feel. Even the other day while we were in your house, after you spoke, I noticed your husband kept mute. He was just so ashamed of himself that I was so angered in my spirit. How could he treat my sister like this, like a piece of rag? I was just so angry with him. Despite what you did was wrong, I have to keep mute. I don't want it to feel like I am supporting evil. That was why I kept quiet. But since he has come to beg, that shows that he still cares and loves you. He knew very well that you were lured into this act, despite the fact that he put his carelessness and negligence to duty as the man of the house that prepared all these chaos. Ifeoma, please, my sister, forgive him. See, he has realized his mistake. He has corrected his mistakes. Just say yes.
Brother, how am I supposed to go back to that house? How? Let's forget the fact that he treated me very badly.
Yes.
How can I go back to a man I tried to poison? How am I supposed to live in the same house with him? I feel guilty already, brother. I can't go back there. More so, I defiled our marriage. We can't keep pretending that everything is fine. Everything is not fine, brother. That marriage is gone bad. Everything about it is bad, brother. I can't go back to him. I can't.
Okay, I understand. But please, just think about it. Think about our family name. Think about what the people will say.
But they can say whatever they want to say. I don't care. I just want my peace. I just want to have my life. I don't care what anybody says.
Okay, all right. Ifeoma, please stop crying. You know I hate it when you cry. Don't worry. Okay, what about your children? This decision you are thinking now will affect your children. This decision will affect your children. Think about it. Okay, don't think. I know what to do. Don't think. I know what to do. Just stop crying. my in-law. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. But I'm of the opinion, I'm just suggesting that you go home first. We've heard everything you said. And we also thank you for all you've done for us in this family. We really appreciate. But my in-law, there's a little but. My sister, she is still in a great shock. And she needs some time to come out of it. You will give her some time. Yes, just some time. I assure you, she will come back home. Bikon, please.
It's okay, no problem.
Please.
It's okay. It's okay, Mama. I will have to take my leave then. I'll wait her arrival.
Okay.
She's coming back.
She will come back, thank you.
She's coming back.
It's okay, Mama.
Anna, she's coming back.
Please, don't be offended. It's okay. Thank you. Mama, let me sing to you.
Go. Daddy, back
Now, Ifeoma, listen and listen good. Whatever reason you are giving is not acceptable by me. Do you hear me? How can you return to your father's house after 9 years in marriage? Oh, you want my enemies to make me laughing stock in this village? Let your enemies say whatever they want to. Let them think whatever they want to. I am not going back to that marriage. I have said it and I'm not going to say it again. If I hear one more word from you, I'll flog the hell out of you. Ifeoma, you ought to be grateful to God. You ought to be grateful to God. You ought to be grateful to God that He came back to you after all the evil you committed. And it is that evil that is stopping me from going back to Him. I can't go back to Him, Mama. Don't you get it? Ifeoma, this is my husband's house. You can't stay here with me. You cannot. This is not Amos' house. It's my husband's house. You have to go to your own husband's house. Amos, not here. You can't stay with me. And that's it. It's okay, Mama. If you want me to leave, I'll leave. Yes! I want you to leave. Leave! Leave! That's fine. But Mama, let me make this clear. Even if I leave this house, I am not going back to Amos.
Mama, I knew why I had to wait for Uncle Unadoze to go home before discussing this with you.
What is it?
Mama, I don't want us to keep disturbing Ifeoma about this marriage problem.
Why? Ndode, why are you sounding this way?
Mama, that marriage will not work. Nothing will work in that marriage.
Ndode,
Mama,
are you in support that your sister should abandon her son and daughter for a man and return back to this house after her 9 years in marriage? Is that what you are trying to portray?
Mama, no. That is not what I'm trying to portray. But Mama, will you be happy to be called upon one morning to come and carry your daughter's corpse? Will you be happy? Think, Mama, think.
Come, who is the stupid person that parked this car like this? Come, where is that security? Security! Who is the stupid person that parked car like this? Eh? Go and call her! Who is she? With all this space here. What nonsense is this? Come, madam, are you the one that parked this car like this? Don't Akukali me anything. Are you the one that parked this car like this? You're telling me you're calling me Akukali?
Cars were parked here when I moved in.
So with all this space here now, you can't even park normal.
Okay, you're shouting?
Oh, you're telling me that I'm shouting? Are you crazy? Are you stupid? Eh? Are you crazy?
You're not cruel cook and wine. Big ladies like us, we don't talk.
Stop talking nonsense, my friend. With all these lines here, why can't you use your head? You're a big lady, but you cannot use your head and back inside the line. Huh? All this is bull, you see. Very soon, I'll treat your photo of one after the other. You and your group. Stupid set of people. You're acting a big girl, but you will not use your brain. Come on, remove this thing here. Nonsense. You're calling yourself big lady. Idiot. When you will see line, ordinary line, you don't know the meaning of this line. You now come and park here. Come and park here telling me you're a big lady. Stupid big lady. Idiot. This is Nike. Nonsense.
Ne, you messed up. You messed up big time.
You need to calm down. We've talked about this before. Calm down.
Can you imagine that big for nothing old fool talking to me, Iron Lady, in public?
Can you just calm down? We're in public. Calm down.
I don't need to calm down. These men, they have plans. And we don't even know how they may finally get back at us.
You need to calm down, okay? They don't have proof, so they can't lay any claims whatsoever. So you need to take a chill pill, okay?
Not when that idiot you call your friend is still breathing and walking around the street of the city.
Iron Lady, I've got this sorted out. Alright?
So what's keeping the results?
I will give you results as soon as possible. Take a chill pill. We good? Good?
I trust you.
Good, let's go.
Oh boy, if like you not remember me again, let me be that guy we come look for your madam the other time now. Madam informer.
Madam no dey stay here. She no dey stay here again. How many times I go tell you? No allow Oga come see you for here one day. Oh. Ha.
Calm down, relax.
I don't tell you what you need to know now. I do something for inside before you come.
I know say madam no dey stay here again. But see, I want to do one small business with you.
You want to do business?
Yes. See. See, you see this money? It go be your own. But first, I won't make you tell me where your madam former stay, your former Oga wife.
I don't really know. You know the other day now, senior brother come carry and come out. So I don't really know the exact place where they stay.
You mean our elder brother and I come carry and
our elder brother.
Okay. If you tell me where that elder brother they stay.
Okay, now I be the cocoa. Because I don't even know. You know say I just work for you. I know they when Oga come marry him. So I don't know anything about madam.
You mean say you don't know?
I don't know anything.
So if like say you don't want, make I give you this money with that.
Boss man, to say I know I go tell you now.
No, make I dey go now.
Boss, no be so now. No be so.
You not give me any better information now.
Boss, no be so now. Even if now small tomato cook weekend soup now, you know.
You don't try so much. Just take small. Go yourself.
Boss. come now.
I go see show now.
You know, just they come here often, yeah? Make sure say you come tomorrow.
No.
Nailo, what happened? My brother. This whole thing happened like a movie. I went to your house to see your sister, to beg her to come back home, since our children will be coming back from school this weekend. So after talking to her, she refused. So I got disappointed and went back to my car. When I was about to start the car, I heard a gunshot. I looked from the side mirror and saw one Sienna zooming off from your house. So I came down and rushed inside your house, and lo and behold, it's my wife. It was my wife. They shot my wife. You are not making sense at all. Amos, you are not making sense at all. Tell me, what did you do to my sister? Confess now, what did you do to my sister? No, you don't have to be mad. I just told you everything that happened. Are you suspecting I shot your sister? Yes, me. Confess now, what did you do to my sister? Where's your sister? What happened? Leave me alone. What are you saying?